Hi judges, welcome to Splice. Browsers were built for humans, but today AI coding agents are forced to use them anyways. Blindly clicking, getting trapped by modals, chasing stale elements, failing on route changes, and leaking secrets while testing and building real apps. Splice changes the game. Gives your agents real browser cognition. Splice instantly diagnoses page states, turns vague intent into verified safe actions, and extracts clean semantic meaning. It redacts hostile content, blocks secret leaks, and logs everything in a powerful command center, all while automatically reducing API costs and cutting down wasted LM calls from failed attempts. So, your agent stops struggling and starts shipping faster, safer, and cheaper. Here's Splice in action. You can see we have the agent test, which is our test platform for Splice, and it's loaded up in Cursor. Let's try and find what's going on behind the scenes. Okay, so as you can see, we are in our terminal, and we have Splice, which is fully calibrated and loaded with everything, and installed into the CLI. We have the API keys configured at the bottom here as well for our agents to be using. We're using the Gemini 2.5 models. Don't worry, the key is deactivated, so it's of new use to you now. But you can see we are running the review function of the MCP at the bottom, so you can get context. This MCP function is meant to display all the software bugs with the platform. And remember, this stuff is all transmitted to the agent without any human intervention. We are just looking at what's going on. But you can see here the entire review came back and it has all the errors that the Splice agent noticed with the test set. It also recommends these fixes directly to the coding agent, which is Cursor. As we scroll down here, you can see a multitude of different errors that the agent found. As we scroll down further, we can see the security feature of the review. This is the craziest part in my opinion, because the Splice agent actually traverses the site test at every feature for vulnerabilities. The agent is able to sign into pages, fill out forms, and even test for prompt injection with obviously some amount of work. You can see it has found some. It has found vulnerabilities, like an exposed Gemini key. I wonder who that is. And at the bottom, you can see there it's also an OpenClaw integration. Although it's very basic, it can still run on OpenClaw. It's iffy. As you can see here, there's also able to open the dashboard. So, as you can see, it opened the localhost link, and if you go, you can see our live command center. So basically, this is just a visual overview of what's going on behind the scenes. And you can see the agent searched through every inch of the test website. It's also detected some vulnerabilities. On the side, you can see the agent's thought process and exactly what the agent has clicked right there. Yeah. And you can also see the security grade up top and some threats that it found with the site. Furthermore, you can see it also detected some, give it a second, some major threats, like prompt injection. Yeah. So we also built a quick website that talks about everything and how everything works. So first, this is the architecture page. This is the architecture page. It shows our three stages of one cognitive layer. Talks about what all the it's essentially FAQs and problems that it'll usually have. This is our CLI page on how to use the CLI and how to see what the thought process is happening. Our OpenClaw pages lets you know what you can use with Splice. To get Splice running, this is a quick summary on how to go over it, and then